Now we are going to see how the Share-VDE discovery portal actually works in practice. Let's start with the simple search experience. I am searching for an author, for example, and among the results list, I can get results aggregated in multiple tabs. The first tab puts together all types of results, while I can have a view on the results pertaining only to people and organization, or I can switch to the tab gathering results by works. Each tab has filters that can be used, and results, where possible, are provided with a headline that gives summary information on that search result. For example, in this case, the first result is exactly what I was looking for, but there might be cases where results apparently are not related to the search input. While in this case of this Elizabeth able person, I see an explanation that tells me why this result is connected with the search input that I did. This is supported by a specific API in the backend of the system that explains these type of results. Coming back to Virginia Woolf, author, we get to see the author page that is also called agent in the underlying entity model. This page provides the aggregation of all the information about the author, her works about her, publications derived from Virginia Woolf's works. In the top level of the page, there are information about the author that is pulled from Wikipedia, and that can also be localized depending on the language of the portal. For example, if I switch the language of the portal to English, not only the labels will change, but also this description will change, because this pulls the data directly from the Italian version of Wikipedia. Additional information for the works by Virginia Woolf, by the author, can be toggled on or off with this function, and the design might also change dynamically. In this case, it stays as a list card view. Any other entities or piece of information that is linked across the system can have a preview of the data that are connected with that. This More Options button redirects user to external links. In this case, these are links to external data sources of identification for this person. Also, the JSON representation of this data can be downloaded, and this is the URI of this entity in the system. I can switch then to the tab listing the publications that are originated by the works, or to the tab of the works that have Virginia Woolf as a subject in a way, or that are about Virginia Woolf.